I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig. If you have not checked out my other videos from the company, please make sure to, because I have tons of them. And of course, I'm gonna make sure to leave all of the details down below in the description area. But I'm not gonna bore you with the box and all the other stuff. We just gonna get into the wig. This is their drawstring Yaki bob. This one is in the length 10 inches. It comes with your pre-cut lace, your deep plucked hairline, and your deep bleached knots. And this one also has a 13x6 lace area. The lace area looks like you get a comb on each side. You get a comb in the nape area, you get your adjustable strap, and you also get your removable adjustable elastic band. I don't want to forget the drawstring area, so this is what it looks like. And this one is on the inside of the cap. What it is looking like on. It is fitting me very good. I am happy that they moved the drawstring to inside the cap versus on the outside, because it doesn't make this area bulge up back here. That is the issue that I would have sometimes, where the area will bulge up, and I don't even have this tightened up all the way, and I know I can tighten it up a little bit more, but it's fitting me good, so I'm not worried about it. But it makes this lay down nice and flat, so 2 thumbs up for them moving that. I enjoy this way more. Now, of course, you can see that the lace is sitting over my ear because it is a 13x6. I am going to end up cutting off some of the lace, and I'm okay with that. But let's get into the hairline. And as you can see, the lace is tinted. I did state before that on one of my last units, I had to go in and tint the lace. It was too light for me, but this time around, this one is melting into my skin really well, and I haven't even added anything. So I know once I add whatever product I'm going to use, it's going to look melted down for real. Now this is the hairline. And I like how it is plucked out because it looks super natural. And then of course you get your 13x6 parting space. So you can take this back further if you need to. If you want to part it further on the side, you can. And then if you want to part this in the middle, you can. Really not much else left for me to say when it comes to this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and get to styling this. And then of course I will be back with the final look and also to tell you guys my final thoughts when it comes to this unit. I'm done styling this unit and it came out really cute. This one is very lightweight, so I think that this is going to be perfect for the summertime. Now look, I know I do a lot of bob units on my channel, but the bobs do really well. You guys really do enjoy when I showcase them. Sometimes they're going to look alike. Sometimes the construction is going to be different. So I might end up showcasing the same type, but the construction just looks a little bit different. It's been tweaked, it's been upgraded. Sometimes it's a different texture. Sometimes it's a different length, but the moral of the story is you guys love the bob, so I love to bring them to you because my favorite type of unit to wear is going to always be a bob wig. I just feel like it just looks so good. Now this one, like I stated, it did not need any type of tint spray, so it laid down perfectly. I just added a little bit of my olive oil mousse to the front of the hairline to lay everything down, and it blended in. I did have to cut some of that lace off on the side to sit above my ear. And I ended up moving the parting space around because the way that it was parted, I feel like it was a little too far over, so I ended up deepening it and my wax at the top and just hot combed it and pressed it out, and it laid down perfectly. I did not have to go in with any mousse when I was moving the parting space around, so that's a good thing because it means the density is not too heavy in the parting space area. I added a little bit of powder to the parting space and it looked like scalp. Super easy and simple. I ended up straightening it out and it literally took me no time. Probably 10 minutes top to install the unit because everything is already pre-ready to wear and pre-done for you. So I like the side part. I moved it to a middle part because of course a middle part is always going to look good. Can't go wrong with a middle part. And then I ended up just kind of doing this fun little style where you can pull the hair up a little bit. And because it is a 13x6, I was able to go all the way over. And I could have pulled it all the way up a little bit more, but because I just added a little bit of mousse right here, I knew that this would flap up and I did not want to add any adhesive spray. So I just left a little bit of hair down, but even on the side, you could just tell how natural the hairline is looking. Now, of course, the ponytail is not super full, but you can add some hair back there if you choose to. I've definitely seen people add hair to their bob ponytails, but it still looks good. It keeps everything up out of my face besides these little two pieces right here, and it also looks natural. Very small amount of shedding with this unit, nothing too major for me to worry about. And snags, I'm not getting any right now. I just put the unit on straight out the box, so I don't expect any snags to happen. But usually with Yaki texture, they'll catch at the ends, but for the most part, this should be very easy for you to take care of, beginner friendly. You should have no problems. I'm noticing some flyaways. I did not put any Sleek and Shine serum throughout the hair because I didn't feel like it was really needed because the flyaways aren't pesky. And they definitely are doing a better job with the flyaways in the parting space area because you guys heard me complain before, like sometimes the flyaways and the shorter pieces become too much and you have to keep trying to lay it down. But lately, I ain't been having that problem like that. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. This is definitely perfect for everyday wear. Perfect for the summertime because it's super lightweight, but also very, very natural looking. I love the length of this. It's not too long. It hits me perfectly. If you are feeling this one, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again. Turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time.